The patient had died before the doctor came. The thief went away after we had arrived. So these are sentences very much common in our telecommunication, and these sentences are used as proverb like, but these are not proverbs, but we use this type of sentences in our comic sentences. When we discuss or when we make fun with somebody, we use this type of sentences like, you had gone away before I arrived. That means this sentence tells us that we should use past perfect tense when we will state it or when we will mention some sentences, some activities, when two actions take place at the same time, like the patient had died before the doctor came. That means the patient died first and the doctor came last. But these two actions happen or take place in the same time. So, if you want to say something about two actions happened in same time or happen in consecutive time, like if I say we had arrived before the teacher entered the class, that means two actions take place here. One action is we had arrived and another action is the teacher came. The teacher came last and we arrived first. So when two actions take place in consecutive time or in the same time, we need to use past perfect in the action take place first. Which action takes place first? We should use past perfect in that sentence. So you should keep in mind that two actions can take place in same time, or two actions might not take place in one time or same time. If you want to say something about any actions which happened some moments ago and the result of the action is not existed still now, and if the result is existed, we need to use present perfect tense. But if the result is not existed, we need to use past perfect. So in happenings, in our daily happenings, in our daily communication, we need to use the sentences and the tense when any action took place in some moments ago or some days ago, some months ago, or some years ago, but the result of the action is not existed, and we should use past perfect when two actions take place in the same time, and the first action will be past perfect tense and the second action will be past indefinite tense. And I will here show you the structure of past perfect tense. The structure of past perfect tense is subject, had is supporting verb, and past participle form of main verb, and then extension or the object of that sentence. So keep in mind that the structure will be speaker or subject, then had as supporting verb, and then B3 or past participle form of main verb, and then object or extension of that sentence. And the structure of past indefinite tense is given in my previous video lesson. So if you miss that video lesson, you can comment me in the comment box. I will give you the link of that video lesson. So I repeat the structure again: subject or speaker first, then had is as supporting verb, then past participle form of main verb or third form of main verb, then object or extension or the listener. So I have here told you when you will use past perfect tense, then what will be the structure of past perfect tense. And now I will give you some more examples. Then we had arrived the station before the train left. And if I say that the train left first, then we'll use opposite part of the sentence. I will say the train had left before we reached. And if I say using after, we we reached the station after the train had left. And we reached the medical center. We reached the medical center after the doctor had reached. And if I say the doctor now reached last, we reached first, we will say we had reached the medical center before the doctor came. So when two actions will take place in same time, you should keep in mind that first action will be past perfect and second action will be past indefinite. And if you don't find two actions, but if you need to use past perfect, when and how you will use, if you think that the action took place very much ago or some years ago, and the result of the action is not still existed in front of you or on the earth, that if you say I had bought this book many years ago, that means the book you bought many years ago is not still at your hand. So but in past perfect tense, two actions take place, and this is very often and this is very frequent. So you should keep in mind that we will use past perfect tense when two actions will take place in the same time. So I hope you have got the idea. You have received what I would like to say here, what I like to tell you here. And if you think that you have got the idea, I have tried to teach you, and you please write in the comment box, or if you find anything wrong here in this video lesson, you will please write in the comment box. I must respond to your comment, and I will receive every comment cordially. If you think that you want to be fluent and expert in speaking English, you should practice regularly in your house and with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family members. But if you don't have anyone to practice with, you can message me on my WhatsApp number. I will accompany you and I will join with you to practice. And I myself always try to make my subscribers, make my viewers, make my listeners expert in this language. So I wish you all the best, and I hope you will not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you will not also forget to like, comment, share, and you will also write everything or every question in the comment box. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. I always wish you your bright future.